My name is Aida Lugo McAllister, author of Aida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to boil breadfruit, a recipe from my cookbook. Boiling is the common method for preparing breadfruit in our culture. It can also be steamed, baked, fried, and roasted. The breadfruit is a fruit, but due to its high starch content, it is usually served like a potato when cooked. The official name for this delicious breadfruit is Panapén. However, we prefer to use the shorter version, which is the term Panas. There is a breadfruit festival every year during the month of September in the town of Humacao, where I lived and attended school for many years. Food history. The breadfruit originated in the South Pacific. It was introduced to the Caribbean islands by the British colonies in the late 18th century. It is also cultivated in Central and South America. Let's get ready to peel and cut the breadfruit. This is a breadfruit known as Panapén. The skin color is light green with possible red-brown areas and has an irregular polygon pattern. The breadfruit is usually oval in shape and measures 6 to 8 inches long. The flesh is a creamy yellow with a unique aromatic fragrance. Cut the breadfruit in half lengthwise. Cut each half lengthwise into 4 equal wedges. For each wedge, remove approximately a ½ inch to an inch of flesh from the top. Peel each wedge by inserting a knife between the flesh and the skin. The breadfruit has been cut and peeled into 8 equal wedges. I live in the Midwest and breadfruits are not readily available in this area. However, during the summer month, we might be able to find breadfruits in the Latin market. When this occurs, I purchase a large quantity of breadfruit. Once I peel and cut them, they are vacuum sealed and placed in the freezer. Therefore, I can enjoy boiled breadfruit wedges during the winter months in Indiana. If you are interested in vacuum sealing the breadfruit wedges for future use, here is a quick video demonstration. To vacuum seal the Panas breadfruit, I place at least 4 to 6 breadfruit wedges side by side to fit better in a quart-size vacuum seal bag. Turn the vacuum sealer latch to open and lift lid. Place the opened end of bag in drip tray. Close lid and turn latch to operate. Let's press the vacuum button to vacuum seal the breadfruit wedges. When the vacuum and seal buttons lights turn off, we can then remove the bag from the vacuum sealer. Turn latch to open and remove the bag. The breadfruit wedges have been vacuum sealed and you can place them in the freezer. I just finished vacuum sealing the breadfruit wedges and labeled each bag with the word Panas to identify the food. When you vacuum seal your food, it removes the air from the package, protecting the food from freezer burn and dehydration. Your food will last longer in the refrigerator or freezer and maintain its freshness. We can now start boiling the breadfruit wedges. Pour 6 cups of water into a 2.5 quart saucepan and bring to a boil. The water is boiling, so let's add 1 tablespoon of light salt or to taste. Stir well to mix. Now we can carefully add the breadfruit wedges to the boiling water. Reduce heat to medium-high, cover saucepan with lid, and cook for 30 to 40 minutes or until the breadfruit wedges are fork tender. After 30 minutes of cooking, the breadfruit wedges are fork tender. Let's carefully remove them from the saucepan. Serve the boiled breadfruit wedges with your favorite stewed salt cod and a slice of avocado. I am ready to taste las Panas breadfruit. I normally drizzle extra virgin olive oil over the Panas breadfruit. The breadfruit is tender. It has a starchy and sweet tropical flavor. I can eat this fruit every day, especially when accompanied with my favorite meat or fish. Delicious. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare boiled breadfruit, Panas. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.